Hey guys, welcome to product unboxing, and for today's episode we are going to unbox another wireless charging device for my iPhone 11, and this time it is a power bank, so it's good because it's portable and I can bring it anywhere. So it is maximum 10 watts and it's from Momax. It's a product by a Hong Kong company. And yeah, it is also compatible to most devices, like latest device, as it says on here. And I'm just gonna show you the back side. And it has a 12-month warranty. And the side, I've actually never seen this like before. I've never unboxed this. So this is what it looks like. It actually looks quite nice. Ooh, looks. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's the manual. And also, I think this is like a feedback thing. Or the products they sell, I assume. And also the cable. So this is the cable, and you can plug it in your computer or laptop so you can charge the power bank. And then to use the power bank, you can just turn this on. Very easy. So I'm gonna press it, and then you will see a light here. I don't know if it's clear on the camera, but it's working now. You can see a green light there. It's very vivid. So let's try. There. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.